showing the work, checking your solution. All right. So here, oh shoot, you would solve for x, you would add 3, you would get 8, right? And x, take the square of that, get x equals 264. Makes sense because if you go back here, the only number that can get you 8 is 64. The square root of 64 is 8, right? But do work here to get used to it so you can see what I mean. Here you take the square root, and you get square root of that is a minus 6 equals to 9. You add 6 to both sides, a is 15. Oh, checking. 64, so you put 64 plus 3. Is that going to get you 5? Oh, that does not. Oh, because you need a minus 5. Minus 3. That's where I got it wrong. So the answer is 4. So 4 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So, okay, good thing I checked. Okay, so a is 15. The square root of 15 minus 6, which is 9. Square root of 9, does that equal to 3? Yep, it does. Okay, that's how you check. Substituting back in. Add 1. Take the square root of that. So the square root of 36 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is that 5. Okay, that's how you check. Solve and check your solution. Okay. Current. The current of electrical circuit is I. Is related to the power P in watts, and the resistance R is ohms by formula. Electrical current equals P over R. Find the power to the nearest watt. So we're finding P. Trying to find P here. When the current is 8, so that's 8 equals to the square root of P, and the resistance is 9.4. Okay, you solve that by taking the square root. Multiply both sides by 9.4, and that's how we get P. Okay. Number 9 here, you do to get rid of the square root by squaring it. So you get 3x plus 1. You subtract 3x. Add 8. Divide by 2. Okay. Check. Let's see. Check my answer. Okay, check it. So let's check this. This is 4.5, 9 over 2, which is square root of 3 times 9 over 2 plus 1. Is that the same as square root of 5 times 4.5 minus 8? 27 over 2. 27 over 2 is 13.5. Yeah, equals 2. Yeah, you'll get 13.52. It'll work. Okay. You get 2y equals to y minus 9. Add 9 minus y. Add y. Get 3y equals to 9. Y is 3. Yep, it works. Check it. Square root of 2 times 3. Nine minus 3, so yeah, same thing. And then you do that one. Number 23 is no solution. You squared. You get 3b equals to 9. B is 3. Square root of 3 times 3 is 9. Is that square root of 9? Is that equal to negative 3? No. Square root of 9 is 3. This is called no solution. The answer is 5. Okay. N squared equals to 4n plus 5. So n squared minus 4n minus 5. Magical X. So it's n minus 5 and n plus 1. Okay, and then n is 5 and negative 1. So substitute that into there. The only one that worked is 5. Is your answer. Because negative 1, you have negative 1 equals to square root. It's not possible. Your answer is not positive. Your answer is always negative. Not possible. Okay, so the answer is just 5. Explain what it's meant by extraneous solution. It doesn't work, right? Solve and check. Okay, so you know how to do these. Now when you square this is x over 2 times x over 2, so you get x squared over 4. And then what you do here is so you get x squared minus 12x equals to 0. So x minus 12. So x is 0 and x is 12. Pick one of them. 0 work, 12. I think both works. 43. Yeah, both works. Check it though. Make sure you check. All right, that's how you do these. So 38 is no solution. Do the work. 42 is 11 only. 46 is no solution also. Give example to support your answer. That means give any number for x and y. So let's say you say x is 2 and y is 3. See if it's true. Okay, see which one works, which one doesn't, to support your answer. Give some numbers. Solve it. x squared, x equals to the square root of 7, right? This one here, add 3. X then is 49. How are they different? How are they alike? Two as a solution. Oh, 2 as a solution. Which one has 2? Right here. 2 is a solution. Right. This one doesn't have 2 as a solution, so that's not it. These don't even have solutions, right? Okay, make sure you know how to do these. Simplify those. So, going to be on your test. So make sure you know that this is 4 times 5, so 2 radical 5. This is 9 times 5, so it's 3 radical 5. Add them together is 5 radical 5. And then work on that. This you just distribute, right? Make sure that you know it's 2 radical 16 plus 4 radical 36. So that's 4, so that's 8. That's 6, so that's 24. 32 is your answer. Okay, factor. If that doesn't work, use the quadratic equation. 6 and 4, both negatives, makes a positive, right? That doesn't work. Two and 12. There we go. That'll work. So x minus 2 and x plus 12. Those are factors. Okay, A and C is 14, 15, 1, and 14. There you go. And then do by grouping. So 2p plus 1p plus 14p plus 7. So factor by grouping. Okay, so your answer is leaves you like that. All right, take out a p. So p plus 7 and 2p plus 1. So make sure you know how to remember how to do these. Factoring by grouping. And that's it. Okay, hope that helps. Figure out the answer.